With the Loop Control panel, we manage concrete deliveries in real time with full control and focused in the ready-mix concrete business. All you need to do is dispatch and have the GPS integrated. Each truck is represented on a timeline, detailing its progress without the need for geofencing. We can easily view key times by clicking to get precise location and route details. Red dots indicate off-site stops, allowing traffic problems or unauthorized detentions to be identified, as well as excessive delays on site. We can filter trucks by their status. Loading, traveling, on-site, or returning. Whether in schematic or map view, Loop simplifies our logistics effectively.